In this video, you will learn how to add viewport entrance animations in JupiterX using the Elementor editor, adding dynamic visual effects to your website elements. In JupiterX, you can add entrance animations to any widget, container, or section. To get started, open the page in Elementor to edit it. Select the element you want to add the entrance animation to. Now switch to the Advanced tab for Layout and Options. Scroll down to find Motion Effects section. Open Motion Effects to access scrolling and entrance controls. Open the Entrance Animation dropdown to pick an entrance effect that plays when the image enters the viewport. I'll pick Slide In Left, so the image enters from the left side. Now open the Animation Duration menu. Choose Slow to give the entrance a gentler, more noticeable movement. That sets the animation duration to slow for a softer motion. I'll switch to Fast if you prefer a snappier entrance effect. Set a small 50 millisecond delay to stagger the entrance slightly. The image now animates into view with your chosen speed and a subtle 50 milliseconds delay. Now we'll add an entrance animation to the column and preview the page. Let's repeat the process for this column. I'll select Slide In Right so the column slides into view from the right side. Now I can use the Delay option to add a 500 millisecond animation delay so the column enters the screen after the image. Preview the page to test the animation in a real browser tab. Scroll through the hero to watch the entrance animation play. The column now slides in with a 500 milliseconds delay, and the preview shows the staggered entrance effect in action. You've successfully added engaging viewport entrance animations in JupiterX. Now you can apply these effects to other elements on your site to enhance user experience.